Good morning, students. So in the last class, I left you, I think in question number 6, is it? So the exercise 10.4. So now I'll start the question number 8. So in question number 8, what is given? Given that A vector A equal to 0 or B equal to 0 implies that A cross B equal to 0. But our question is what? Our question is whether the converse is true or not. You have to justify by an example. So the converse will be what? When you write its converse, so what will be the converse statement? That means A cross B equal to 0 must imply that either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. So is it true always? Converse will be true only when the statement is true for any vector A and B. But you know one property that when two vectors are parallel, their also cross product is 0. Therefore, this statement is not always true, but we have to show by an example. So उसके लिए हमको क्या करना होगा? You take two vectors so that they are parallel. Because the parallel vector, if you take their cross product, it will be 0. So first vector, you can take any vector 2i plus 3j plus 4k. 4k. Sorry, 4k क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है. 4k. So then the second vector you have to take in such a way that A and B are parallel. So you just multiply by any number, you will get the vector parallel. So if you multiply by 2, you will get the vector 4i plus 6j plus 8k. Is it? Now these two are vector parallel. These two are parallel vectors. So now if you take the cross product there, you know that the value must be 0. So देखो हम दिखाते हैं इसको प्रूफ करके. सॉरी अगेन पूरा कोई कर देते हैं. So this is I, then j, then k. So this is the first row. In the second row क्या आएगा? तो अगेन ये थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया. सॉरी. हाँ, तो I, j, k. The second row is what? Components of A, that is 2, 3 and 4. And third row 4, 6, 8. Is it? So this is a determinant and you just calculate the determinant. So it will be what? You know determinant how to calculate. So I'll just give you the answer. 24 minus 20. So it is 4 I kept. Then, 24 minus 24. It is 0, is it? Sorry, it is 0. This is not working. Yes. So this is 0. So 0, first one is 0. So you have got the first one is 0. I. This is 0 I. Then second one minus j कितना आएगा 16 minus 16 तो ये भी 0 ही होगा. नेक्स्ट k 12 minus 12 सॉरी ये गड़बड़ हो गया. 12 minus 12 that is k. So finally you have got a vector 0. So it is now you have seen that cross product you have got 0 but the vectors are non-zero. That means therefore you have got that a cross b equal to 0 but neither a is 0 nor b is 0. It means what? It means the converse is not true. So that proves that, the converse is not true. So this is question 8. This is question 8. Then I'll go for next question. Question number, and I told you to solve 9 and 10 because 9 and 10 just direct questions. Just what you have to do, you have to just apply the formula, and formula I gave you, area of a triangle, area of a parallelogram. And I'll go for next question 11. Question 11. Question 11 given it is multiple choice. So this is also an easy question, but let me complete this. It is given that mode of A equal to 3 and mode of B equal to root 2 by 3. And A cross B also given that A cross B is a unit vector. So this is a unit vector. So now you have to find out the angle between A and B. So suppose मान लो this is A and this is B and the angle is theta. You have to find out the angle theta. So you know that there is a formula. You know that mode of A cross B is 1 because it is a unit vector. So since the cross product is given, you can go by the second formula. You can go by the formula sin theta mode of A cross B divided by mode of A into mode of B. So now you put their values 1 divided by 3 into root 2 by 3. So root 2 by 3, the 3 cancel. So you have got 1 by root 2. So therefore theta equal to what? Pi by 4. So this is a mistake. So it will be pi by 4. So that is the answer for question 11. Okay, next go for the another page. So this is the last question, question 12. In question 12, you have to find out area of a rectangle where the position vectors are given there. So this is an important question. So you have given a rectangle. So let me draw it. এটা তো জানি हो रहा है A, B, C, D. So let me try one thing. If we cut or less, so one more thing is there, I think. We apply rectangle, is it? So this is the rectangle. I'll go there. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a rectangle where the position vectors are given as, say the A is the position vector of A, and B is the position vector of B, and C is the position vector of C, and D is the position vector of D. And these are given. So these are given. So given what? A is given as minus I cap plus half J cap plus 4K. And the second position vector is given as I plus half J plus 4K. I cap plus half J plus 4K. And the third one, that is C, is given as I cap minus half of J, plus 4K. And the last one, that is vector D, is given as minus I minus half J plus 4K. Minus I minus half J plus 4K. तो हमको ये देखना है कि इसका एरिया क्या होगा. देखो एरिया के लिए दो फॉर्मूला है. वन यू कैन गो बाय एडजेसेंट साइड्स और यू कैन गो बाय डायगोनल. बट नाउ आई विल गो फॉर एडजेसेंट साइड्स. एडजेसेंट साइड्स हमको दो एडजेसेंट साइड्स लेना है. एक तो लेना है वेक्टर ए बी. वेक्टर ए बी मीन्स व्हाट? बी माइनस ए इक्वल टू व्हाट? इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट बी फ्रॉम ए, you will get 2i cap, then half the cancel, 4k will cancel, only 2i will get there. Similarly, if you go another adjacent, that is AD. AD means what? It will be B minus A. So AD minus A कितना होगा? Subtract A from D, minus I cancel, minus half plus half, और minus 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 J cap होगा, and 4k cancels. So only two part left. So now just to find out the area, you need their cross product. You find out their cross product. कितना हो cross product? 2i cap cross minus J. तो ये तो बहुत सिंपल सा कैलकुलेशन होगा. तो कितना होगा? I cross J minus 2 बाहर आएगा. I cross J means what? You know that this is K. So now you just go for the area. तो एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या था? एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल A, B, C and D. So by formula it is what? Modulus of AB cross A D. So equal to how much? Modulus of minus 2k. तो minus 2k का modulus क्या होगा? 2 होगा. So that is the area of this rectangle. So I think this is the option C. So option C is correct. C is the answer in this case. But last question. So what was the option there? In last question, the option was what? Pi by 4, that is option B. So in this case, the answer was option B. Okay. So this exercise 10.4 complete. So today I don't want to go more. So I'll discuss miscellaneous in the next class. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me again in the next class. So bye for today. So